Hey guys, welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In today's video, I want to do a little unboxing for you guys. I think this is something really special. Hey guys, in today's video, I actually want to show you something like really cool. I've got myself two different type of lights, one for my iPhone and one for my GoPro. In this particular video, I just want to share the one that I got for my GoPro because it's waterproof. And when you're at the beach and you try to make some video, especially these time lapses of the waves and stuff that's coming in, and you turn the camera tips over, I'm okay because my GoPro HERO7 Black, it is actually waterproof. But usually what's not waterproof is the microphone, it is the actual light. Well, not anymore because I got a waterproof light, which could be used in water, in the pool, in the rain. It can be used as a flashlight. It's got 4 different light modes and it's got a rechargeable battery, which is even better because it charges magnetically. So you never have to worry about pulling out the batteries or having the access to the cable, and that getting wet and the water getting sometimes like inside of the actual light source and then damaging it. In this case, it's completely closed, and it's really amazing because it's got a completely sealed type of system with a magnetic type of cable. Guys, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my light right here. This is my new light that comes with a light filter. It fits really nicely on my GoPro. This is going to be perfect for night vlogging, and especially if I wanted to record some videos for you guys underneath my Sprinter van, in case I'm like doing some work or on top of the Sprinter at night. I actually can have a really nice light source. This light could actually replace your flashlight. It's got a 1/4-inch screw over here, so you could mount it straight, kind of like on this tripod thing, really easily. Just like I got the GoPro mounted, but I choose to have a GoPro because I do a lot of vlogging now, and it is actually pretty nice. Guys, and as a bonus, to those of you guys that's watching this and you're trying to actually figure out how can you get this footage on the GoPro or DSLRs straight onto your iPhone or even an Android device. I actually have a really special device. You probably don't know that it actually exists, but it does. Let me show it to you. So anyways, I popped this thing out of the box. It looks like it's a special kind of closing type of box where, you know, you can just put it together and close up the whole thing from both sides. But anyways, this camera got some kind of light aluminum body, but it's a special type of body that's designed to keep this camera cool, and it's got a 1/4-inch screw mount over here, so you could actually mount it on top of something here and actually have a mount, which is actually really nice because I'm going to be using it on my GoPro. So here's where the charging brick comes in handy. Just basically stick it like that, and that's it. And obviously it's strong enough to actually hold a camera like that on the charging brick. So far it's not full enough. So it's got many different modes. I will show to you how it works at night. Let's see. As promised, guys, look at these images at night. On the left, it is the GoPro footage with the light, and on the right, it's without the light. That would be GoPro HERO7 Black at night without no light. And as you can see, it's a lot better pictures. You could record video. It's like a video is on flash all the time. And you could actually get some really brilliant shots, because what I actually done for these is I actually transferred all the media into my phone with the device that I'm going to actually show you, because you could do that with any type of camera or any type of action camera, and then you could actually take some screenshots from the video, and this is actually the result of screenshots. Let's see if it actually comes charged out of the box. So I just clicked on it. We have the light right here. I had to kind of hold it in order to turn it on. So we could remove the modes. So now it's the 3 LEDs. I'm controlling it through the back. Here's another mode. So each time it gets brighter with each click, and then until it finally will turn off. So At night, you'll be able to actually tell the difference. Right now, of course, everything kind of looks bright. Also, it comes with this filter here. So now I believe I know why this is actually there. This is probably to stick it inside over here, because it's so bright, so you can actually just install it on here. I think this is something really special. My flashlight recently actually died, so I got myself a new flashlight, and this could be used underwater, and this could be used anywhere. So I'm thinking about those repairs that I'm going to be doing outside with like Sprinter and stuff like that. It would be nice to wear like on top of my head, or even using it like for my GoPro to actually make those videos for you, especially if they happen at night, or using like a flashlight. It's got actually a really cool body, and it's completely sealed inside of this box here in its body, and it charges through the magnetic type of thing. So I kind of thought, you know what, it's really nice, a weatherproof type of flashlight that could be used outside of water or underwater or being waterproof. So let's go ahead and actually peel this thing out. It comes with this really nice case. How does it open? Like that. We got a charging cable inside. Let's see what kind of charging cable this is. So we have like a magnetic strip over here and some kind of plastic strip. And here's the magnetic type of charging cable. So you plug this into your USB or any other type of power outlet brick, stick this to the back of your camera, and that's it. This is like the new generation. So anyways guys, as I told you before, there's a 1/4" screw mount, and I got a special mount over here on my GoPro. So we're actually gonna go ahead and install it right on it, so you could just twist it tight. So now I'm gonna have a light that could easily slide off, and it could be locked down on the GoPro. So I could actually make some night type of footage. Actually install it backwards. So this is actually really nice that it comes with a light type of filter, especially if I'm going to be vlogging at night. It's not going to be blinding me. Instead, it's going to be providing me just the right amount of light. And it fits actually snugly in there, so it's not like you're gonna lose it. So pretty happy with it. It seems like it belongs together. I also got another 1/4" screw mount over here if I want to connect anything else, like maybe like a microphone, but microphone could go right here. This is my iPhone. In case you have an iPhone, one of the things you've probably been wondering is how to use another camera, and you know, for instance, like drone footage camera that you can have a drone flight around, but you actually want to stick those photos inside of your phone. Maybe you want to post them on Instagram, or maybe you want to post it to YouTube. If you want to upload it to your Twitter. How can you do that? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you this device that you could basically take your SD card or micro SD card, or like another, like one of those bigger type of cards from maybe like your DSLR, pop it in there, plug it into your iPhone, and then boom, just like magic, you get to choose which pictures, which videos you want to transfer directly into your iPhone. And then you can choose to delete them on the SD card or keep them for later uses. So basically it's coming in really handy, because if you got something really nice that you want to post to your social media, you could actually do that now, because you're going to have that card reader. Simply plug it in, transfer, and then you're done. You can actually use everything, edit it any way you want, everything's going to work. I think it's kind of amazing. If you do as well, take a look at this device. I'm an iPhone user, so this one particularly is designed for an iPhone. Most of the problems that you're gonna have is an iPhone that you cannot actually insert a micro SD card into the side. Well, this allows you to plug your micro SD card in. This is from my GoPro. So let me show it to you guys. There it is. So all I do is I plug it in over here, and then stick it straight into my iPhone, and I could transfer all the footage, all the videos, all the pictures that I have taken on my GoPro or any other type of camera. Like it could be like a DV camera, it could be like a DSLR or SLR, anything like that. It's gonna actually work. So I actually think for iPhone users, this is gonna be like really nice and a peace of mind, because You can transfer media from the GoPro easily with wireless, but it's a huge setup mess, and if you don't know how to do it properly, chances are you're not going to see that footage on your device. So this allows you to actually transfer media files from any type of action camera. Like I got some action cameras that they don't have the Wi-Fi connectivity, but they actually take some really nice video. This will allow you to actually transfer all the video files straight to your iPhone. And of course, you guys probably are already aware, I do all of my video and editing straight on my iPhone. Recently, iPhone actually came out with an update for their software, which is called an iMovie. And now you could even work with green screen. So it's really amazing what you could do now. There's a lot more music to choose from and everything else. So I'm still choosing to edit everything on my iPhone. This is why I got the 256 gigabyte version, and I also now side by side record with my action camera, which is one of these here, which is a nice stable video from GoPro HERO7 Black. And with these, transfer the files up to the iPhone so I could actually edit them. But anyways, guys, that's a small little tip for me in case you guys didn't know if one of these exists. Now, one thing that I would like to see is something like this that could be used to transfer all the media on your iPhone onto the SD card. I haven't found one, but in case you did, please write in the comments below where I could get one of those type of devices. But I kind of figured, you know what? I found something like this that looks actually real nice. And this did not came from Apple, by the way. I failed to mention that. This I got on Amazon. I'm going to provide a link in the description below for this and my light and my GoPro in the case and all the stuff that I have, just in case you guys want to pick up the same type of thing. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video with this waterproof type of gadget. It's not every day that you actually get to see a camera device, a flashlight device that is actually waterproof. But now you know there is one. And if you actually want to pick one up, there's going to be a link in the description below. And anything I show in this video, there's a link for it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and see you in my next.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old. And yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprint or Expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.